All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another one reaching us. Now it has happened. All the Igbo brothers, they have now made up their minds. It's not funny again. It is not funny again. Kò funny rárá mọ́ báyìí. Everybody ti ready àti lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa lọ ń lọ wa. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà. My brother, my sister, now the Igbos are out finally. That this time around, they must go their separate ways. Nothing is happening. As far as this country, Nigeria, is concerned, nothing is working, and then everybody needs to go. Now, something is going on right now in the Igbo community, and then as it stands, my brother, my sister, what is happening in Igbo land can happen in any other part of the country. That is why I always tell my Yoruba brothers, as it stands, hear everybody, Kalajuwa, ka cooperative, ka de kuro, ninu iluyi. There is nothing like one Nigeria. One Nigeria. Now, with the news that is reaching us, this is so pathetic, it's so serious. Well, it happened in Eiga, and an agrarian community in Uzo Uwane local government area of Enugu state. And then onto this one, it has been the local government has been thrown into chaos as a combined team of policemen and the soldiers allegedly raised residential houses in the community. Wọ́n sọná sí àwọn ilé ní ìlú yẹn. Àwọn wọlé àwọn sójà wọ́n dẹ̀ sọná sí ilé bí mẹ́wàá. My brother, my sister, we have said this times with that number. You see all those people, Asiri want it too. All those people that the former president, all those what they call them, the repentant Boko Haram that he brought into Nigerian army, they are the one they are now using. I will not loan sin to perpetrate evil. They are everywhere now, all in the name that they are soldiers, but they are the recruited Boko Haram people. Now what happened? They invaded this community and then they started raising houses. According to the news, although no life was lost, Sarah reporters gathered that no fewer than 10 houses were destroyed, with other household properties in the process. Well, it was learned that the residents of the Enugu boundary community with Kogi State also sustained various degrees of injury as a result of gunshots and then the chaos which ensued when the security agents shot sporadically in the community. Well, according to an eyewitness who pleaded for anonymity, the attack was unprovoked. They came again and then sacked members of Eiga community. At least 10 houses were burnt down. People sustained various degrees of injury. They destroyed tanks and then other household items. Our people are now afraid of their homes because of fear of attacks, the source said. Meanwhile, a cleric who identified himself as a Father Nathaniel Ugu in a social media post wrote, "Keep praying for us. Greetings in the Lord." Well, Eiga community is under attack again. The police and then army with about 3 armored cars and then many e-losses. They are burning down houses again and then shooting at sight as I am writing this message. However, another source said it was connected to the killing of 2 police officers by hoodlums in the community recently. Okay, and then now the later source said the government is trying to mop up arms which the members of the community have been using to engage in reckless killing in the community. Also, in a video of the burning of the community posted on Instagram, a voice was overheard saying, "This is the action of the Nigerian military. They came to our house this night, burnt down our houses. We don't know what is happening. Our people in the farm settlement ran to us that they were attacked in the settlement." All right, and then now what we see is the Nigerian military came to our place, burnt down the houses. We don't know what is the problem. We don't know if we are to run for Fulani S-men or the Nigerian military. My brother, my sister, now with what had been said so far, okay, you said maybe there are some hoodlums that are causing mayhem in the community, that have fired some policemen in the community. In the first place, my brother, my sister, all these kind of things that are happening, what is the function of the government to do to this? Are they not supposed to do some investigations to know exactly who actually got involved in that aspect? Why is it that our economy is not working, our government is not working? Now, because of two policemen that was fired by some unknown people, you now have to go into villages and start buying innocent souls. What kind of a country are we in? Is that how it's supposed to be? Because of two people that were fired, then innocent souls, you now start destroying their houses, and then you are telling us this is a country that we can still remain in. You are telling us we are one. You are telling us that we can stay together, we are brothers. Of which now, okay, tell me, all these soldiers that you recruited to the army that do not even yet go come, none of them can reason together, or you cannot reason with your soldiers that, okay, all these things that you people are doing, that you are not supposed to be doing it. Innocent souls, at the end of it all the people that they are quarreling with, they are burning their houses, they are all innocent. Because definitely anyone who must have perpetrated this evil must have run. That's exactly what we are talking about. Now the people now are now lamenting. We don't even know who to run for, whether not to run for Fulani or not to run for soldier, because we don't know who is who. That's exactly what we are talking about. All this set of people, they had the recruit of the former president Buhari, and then they always send all these soldiers to the south, because all these northern soldiers, because they hate the southerners. My brother, my sister, it can happen anywhere. And if you take a look at it, you'll be shocked that most of all these attacks were even perpetrated by the same government, by them themselves, so that they can use that advantage. They will have what to say about if they want to start destroying. Now, bringing down about 10 houses and properties and shooting sporadically, is that the solution to make it work? So buying people now at will, innocent souls at will, is how you want to repair the country? My brother, my sister, nothing is actually working. And then the most painful aspect is the part whereby that person made it clear that we don't know who to run for again. Fulani people are chasing us. The Nigerian military are doing the same thing. So now where do we run to? People that are saddled with the responsibility to take care of us, to fight for us, are even the ones that are now buying us. And then you are still telling us we are one in this country. My brother, my sister, nothing is actually working. Nigeria, somebody's of the opinion say Nigeria don't go. There's nothing like Nigeria again. That is why, as Yoruba nation agitators, everybody needs to be, to be focused. Everybody needs to take this seriously. No going back, because hey, we cannot afford to lose anyone any longer. And exactly what it is, my brother, my sister. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.